Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am reviewing the iUNIK Beta Glucan Power Moisture Serum, which looks like this. I actually picked this up myself. I did not receive this as part of PR. If you're new here, my name is Nadia and I'm a licensed esthetician who has been practicing for well over 10 years. I love to test and review skincare products, so be sure to subscribe to my channel if you also love product reviews, first impressions. Also hit that notification bell so that you are notified whenever there is a brand new upload. I do try to upload a short daily, so click the shorts tab if you want more fun content. iUNIK describes this as a serum that is formulated with just 10 essential ingredients that are certified safe for fungal acne. The serum hydrates the skin without irritation, and it is a great option for sensitive, reactive, or post-treatment skin. The texture of the serum I find to be quite unique. The serum can be found at iUNIK.com or Amazon.com. On the iUNIK website, however, it is currently retailing for $21, and you do get 1.69 ounces. And I have seen this go as low as $16 and sometimes $19 on the Amazon website. iUNIK suggests that you apply this after toning, which is what I did in today's demo, and you want to apply an appropriate amount along the skin, and you want to gently pat for best absorption. The ingredients within this formula are quite limited, making it excellent for sensitive, sensitized skin, and there are a handful of hydrators and skin soothers within this formula. So let's talk about beta-glucan. Beta-glucan is an antioxidant that soothes and hydrates the skin. It is often seen in skincare products to soothe, minimize redness, and other signs of sensitive skin. Beta-glucan may also help minimize the signs of aging, sun damage, as well as helping to reduce the look of wrinkle depth, which is, I would say, amazing. And this can also help moisturize your skin. We see adenosine within this formula, a skin-soothing, smoothing ingredient that can help improve the appearance of wrinkles. And we also see sodium PCA, an ingredient we often see in skincare formulations. This is a humectant that hydrates, soothes, and helps the upper layers of the skin retain moisture, which is very important in drier climates or environments. I began using this after my Ceranova micro infusion treatment. I will link my first impressions video to the kit up above in case you are interested in learning more about how you can help stimulate collagen production at home safely. I added this to cart because I had seen others use this post care, and I knew it had limited ingredients and my skin was feeling a bit dry post treatment, and I did use this only 24 hours post treatment. I did not use this immediately after using the treatment. I was, however, turned off by the plastic bottle here. I really wish it was glass. However, that is not a deal breaker. I just wish it was glass. The texture was, of course, very unique. It reminds me of snail mucin, and I don't think I've ever personally been a fan of snail mucin. I'm not sure why. I just think the idea of it just kind of is, it just doesn't make me want to try. Or maybe I feel like I have tried it, but I just did not go forth. The texture, of course, was unique, and I found it to be instantly hydrating, soothing, and plumping to the skin. I have used a number of hydrating skincare products before, mostly hyaluronic acid based, with different molecular sizes to address the different layers of the skin. The hyaluronic acid based serums that I have used tend to be watery. They hydrate, they soothe, they calm the skin, and they also plump the skin. And because my skin has been reactive and a little sensitive, I have been using a lot of products that have limited ingredients or ingredients that help strengthen and repair the skin's protective barrier. I like this for now, because of its limited ingredients and because it's got beta-glucan, an ingredient that I have personally been wanting to focus more on, as I have seen it more in some of the products that I have been testing, but it is never, however, the main ingredient within that formula, as we see here. So for now, I think that I would repurchase this again. From AM and PM use, I have noted hydrated, more soothed and strengthened skin, no redness or irritation or breakouts from use. I have that this has worked very well with other ranges, and it does not interfere with the performance of my makeup. I am wearing this underneath the makeup today. This works very well with my Crave Beauty Beat the Sun SPF, as well as the Sung Boon Editor Hydro Booster SPF 30. I feel like those are the current sunscreens that I have been wearing recently, and I have not noticed any pilling or flaking when I'm using those together. I have not tried this with an oil, but I have tried this with multiple moisturizers with no issues, and I do love using this both morning and evening. I do tend to double cleanse with the PCA Daily Cleansing Oil. Then I follow that with the Sophie Pavit Gentle Cleanser, another great product with limited ingredients. And then I do use my Red Light Therapy mask by Current Body Skin. A review is coming soon on that, I do promise. And I then apply the Pharmacy Honey Milk essence. I will link my review to that up above in case you're interested. And I then follow that with the serum here. I do tend to apply one drop on this cheek, one drop on this cheek, and then one drop on the forehead, and then just kind of work that on to the skin. I then follow that with the Skin 1004 Probiotica Intensive Ampule. I apply one pump of the Paula's Choice Pro Collagen Peptide Plumping Moisturizer. I recently emptied one of these units, so this is, I think, my third one now. This is one of my favorites. I will link my review to this up above as well in case you are looking for an anti-aging gel-based moisturizer. Click above if you'd like to learn a little bit more. Then I follow that with my OneSkin OS01 eye supplement, my favorite lip products, and then I am ready for bed. Typically the next day my skin wakes up feeling refreshed and balanced. I would recommend this to anyone who is looking to hydrate the skin. Perhaps if you've tried hyaluronic acid and haven't had much success with that, you may be able to try this out. This also gives you some anti-aging properties, so if you're also interested in diffusing or defying the signs of aging, a good option as well. Limited ingredients, so this is an excellent option for sensitive, sensitized, irritated skin. This has an excellent price point, so if you have sensitive skin and you are balling on a budget, great option. Perhaps if you've tried other hyaluronic acid based serums and you haven't had much luck, give this a go. It's got a silky kind of gel type texture that absorbs the skin without feeling sticky or heavy, despite it not being as watery as other hydrating serums that I have used before. My skin is left feeling refreshed, dewy, and hydrated after use. I'm not sure if you noticed in the demo, but my skin literally looked much more luminous after application, and this is great for those who just cannot tolerate niacinamide, as well as niacinamide is nowhere to be found within this product. Easy to use, no fuss ingredients. And my con, of course, is that I do wish this was made of glass and not plastic. I think it is a lot easier to recycle glass than plastic. I think glass is more environmentally friendly. I am rating this a 9 out of 10. I am deducting a point for the packaging. I feel like it bothered me enough that I wanted to deduct a point from that. I do find the formula to be results driven at a price point that will not break the bank, and I will keep using this, and I also will try to keep you updated in the bottom bar, or I will pin a comment. So be sure to check that out in case you are watching this in the future. Let me know if you have used this or any other product by iUNIK in the comments down below. What were your results? What's your skin type? And would you recommend the product to others? Let me know in the comments down below. Thank you so much for spending your valuable time with me today. I really do appreciate that. And be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Hit the like button if you learned something new today, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.